Hi everyone, my name is Joy, licensed manicurist, and I want to show you all today how to put on nail art jewels. So in addition to my jewels here, I also have a top coat, tweezers, and a cuticle stick. So one way that you could do is you could dip your cuticle stick in your top coat and use that to grab on to your rhinestones and then place them on the nail. I'm actually going to do another technique here. I'm going to just top coat her nail very lightly. And I'm going to use my tweezer to grab the jewel and then place it gently on the nail. You want to be careful here that you don't graze your polish with your tweezer. Okay, and then you just gently press, not too hard, because you don't want to squash the polish out around the jewel. Okay, so this way you've already top coated the nail. You don't need to go back and do it again because the top coat will hang on to the jewel. There you go. Quick and simple. So hopefully this was helpful to everyone, and you all have a good day. My name is Joy.